going on, guys? In this video we are going to look at problem with the string length. This is helpful to prevent the program from crashing. Now we are going to see how to do that. So first of all, we are going to introduce a character type of variable, character, and let's say movie. In this movie we want to just get the input from the user. That should be the movie character should be like the maximum should be 20 letters. Okay, so we put 20 right here in an array. Now the next thing is I'm going to create a pointer, character pointer, and then p movie. Okay, that's equal to movie, and then we are going to get the input from the user. Now here, this is where this is important. Like here we have to get the input from the user. That should be maximum 20. In case if the user entered more than 20, it's gonna cut it off and then print only the 20 and within that. Okay, so that's why we are looking at this thing. Now let's see what is that. So here the thing we use is fgets. So this is the one that can limit the input from the user. Like here we put p movie, and then to limit the input from the user we put 20 right here. So maximum allowed is 20. Even if the user entered more than 20, it's gonna cut it off and give the rest of the output. Okay, std in. So this is for standard input, std in, and then finally we give puts, and this is going to be just p movie. Okay, now that's it. Now I am in the wrong program right now. I'm trying on online compiler, but this doesn't allow the input from the user. Okay, so I have to get another one that called online GDB. So I'm going right there. Let me erase this all and paste it right here. Okay, let me run this one. Okay, I forgot to put the this one hashtag run. Okay, here we are going to get the input from the user. So here I can type whatever I want. We didn't put a prompt right here. It's okay. Let's type whatever we want. So here I actually should ask what's the movie name. So here let's say I'm gonna give a long movie name, like for example Taliban is awesome at programming and he likes Deadpool. Okay, so when I enter this one, here you can see it cut it off at Taliban is awesome because the maximum allowed is 20. And that's how it works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos on my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and see you next time. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. See you next time.